my friend CS Murkomen na serikali yote. Amchambo. Lakini niruhusu niongee kitu moja au mbili. Moja, on the boundary ni Keroka. Your boundary, so it was like resolved. The markings beacon. Kisi moved out and later moved in because they put bill in court. I do not know how you can judge a coordinate through specific mark made by surveyors. We are still having an occupation in some area, which is a big security risk, because we are restraining our people not to fight, because people can die. Ya mwisho, ni ile tunaita Kibaki alikuwa anaita political tourism. Lakini I can call it political prostitution. There are people coming from Kisii County in the name of Osoro and Nyakundi, coming to abuse elected leaders. I met before. When people come and abuse me, how long will it take to restrain my supporters? Please, because I come from a political party, different political party, let them not spoil the name of UDA. Let them not misuse the name of the president. Let them respect other elected leaders. I think I addressed that issue because it's a security issue. Thank you so much. Na muendelea hivyo. Na huyu ni rafiki yetu. Tunamuelewa. He's a straightforward shooting man and very clever. Naona mnaenda mahali mzuri. Asanteni.